From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening. I'm student meteorologist Frank Gargione with their Wednesday evening forecast. We take a live look right here at Beaver Stadium. 63 degrees, partly cloudy, beautiful day to go outside and throw a football, do some yard work. Clouds over top of Beaver Stadium, clouds lingering, but overall very pleasant conditions and blue skies. Right now in State College, 63 degrees, feels like 63 with a dew point of 37. Not muggy at all, no humidity, very nice, very comfortable outside. Visibility of 10 miles, and it is a little breezy with winds from the west-northwest at 17 miles per hour. Our weather headlines: tracking Milton, Hurricane Milton, expected to make landfall tonight in the Sarasota, Tampa Bay region. Very catastrophic damage expected. But here in State College, it's feeling like fall. Temperatures in the 60s, and with those fall-like temperatures comes our first frost. Morning lows expected to be in the 30s. We'll get to that in the 7-day forecast. Our temperatures here in Pennsylvania, however, 63 in State College. As we head more north and west, cooler temperatures. Erie, you're at 58, Bradford 59, Franklin 56. As we head southeast here towards Harrisburg, Allentown, Philly, upper 60s. Very comfortable temperatures, and that's pretty much for the whole eastern seaboard. 73 in Charleston, 72 in Roanoke. Even as we head west, the only exception, of course, Texas. Abilene 86, Corpus Christi 89 degrees. Our 60-day temperature outlook can expect these cool-like temperatures continue on the eastern seaboard. Darker blue colors means more below average, and as we head west, above average temperatures expected out there. Our radar and satellite very clear across most of the state with an exceptions of the northern counties as we have some rain making its way through in the clouds. These clouds are expected to move on later, and we'll get to that in a second. But for the rest of the lower 48, very beautiful conditions, with the exception here down of Hurricane Milton in Florida. Hurricane Milton, winds 130 miles per hour, moving north-northeast at 16 miles per hour and a pressure of 944 millibars, which has risen in the past couple hours. The storm is weakening due to an eye wall replacement cycle, which a new eye wall forms, collapses on the inner one, weakens the storm, which is good, but it also broadens the wind field, which is not good for conditions for places that are not being directly hit. This will make landfall in the Sarasota, Tampa Bay region tonight into tomorrow, like the wee hours, as a Category 3 hurricane at 125 miles per hour. I want everyone to please note, even though it is a Category 3, and it's like, oh, it's not a Category 5 anymore, there will be Category 5-like conditions. The storm surge has already built up as it's making its way across the Gulf of Mexico. This will bring a punch to Sarasota and Tampa. Prayers to everyone who will be affected by this hurricane. It'll eventually weaken as it makes its way across Florida, and it will not affect us here in State College. Our future weather in State College, very clear conditions as there's a high pressure system dominating the region, which will keep cloud cover to a minimum and no precipitation. This will continue Thursday into Friday as we keep going. Our next weather system, as you can see right here, making its way Friday 11:30 up in the Great Lakes, Canada region. This will eventually make its way down into Saturday. Saturday, you can start to see cloud cover start. Saturday makes this into Sunday morning, east to west. Sunday at 8 a.m., can expect some rain here in State College, and this will continue into Monday. So expect some wet weather this weekend, but for tomorrow and Saturday, expect some very, very nice conditions. Our temperature, our day planner for the rest of the day today, however, 61, rapid decline in temperatures as we head into the overnight hours with 2 a.m. looking clear and 46 degrees. Tonight, our low temperature, 39 degrees, which will be very early in the morning. Mostly clear conditions with a northwest wind of 4 to 7 miles per hour. Tomorrow, very clear conditions, blue skies because of that high pressure, 59 degrees with winds from northwest at 5 to 8 miles per hour. And if we look at our 7-day forecast, pretty nice for the whole week with the exception of Sunday and that storm system that will make its way through. But here are the 30s, 34 as a low on Thursday, 37 as a low tonight, bringing frost to our area. And the rest of the week, 52 as a high, so it will eventually start to cool down as we head into the next work week. I just want to reiterate once again, Hurricane Milton will be very devastating. If you have family, friends, relatives, if you're down there in general, stay safe. This will be pretty bad. I'm student meteorologist Frank Gargione. Have a wonderful rest of your afternoon, evening, and stay safe.